this era, green technology has become part of the responsibility of this country's citizens. Green technology has been set as priority and have full support from local government. It is a concept to mitigate or reverse the effects of human activity on the environment. In another point of view, this concept can also be seen as product development, tools and system planning to preserve natural environment at its best state and also its impact on the environment. This action can only be achieved by participations of all citizens and not pointing to certain organizations or authorities. Malaysia has recognized green technology as one of the key drivers of national economic growth. To achieve this, the government is currently reorienting its policies to promote and develop green production. In developing the green industry in Malaysia, the Malaysian government had introduced the National Green Technology Policy on 24th of July 2009. The policy focused on 4 pillars, namely energy, environment, economy, and social. As one of education's hub in Negeri Sembilan, Electrical Engineering Department of Polytechnic Dickson has taken an initiative to develop an intelligent greenhouse project. This intelligent greenhouse will also be a part of Diploma in Electrical Engineering, Green Energy, Student Lab Work Studies, and Projects.
A professor from Korea Polytechnic College, Gumi campus, Professor Dr. Seung Kyu, recently stayed and consulted JKE Polypd for 5 months while doing his postdoctoral studies on construction of renewable energy systems. Having a doctoral qualification in electronic engineering and has worked in Hyundai Development Corporation and Saihan Corporation Korea, gives JKE Polypd the opportunity to develop and strengthen the green energy program planned.
Then in Malaysia is very good weather. Then green energy generation system can be developed. It's good weather. For example, the very strong solar. Then in Korea is 4 season. Here is all summer. Then very hot. Sometimes winter. Then sometimes very a lot of rain. Then I'm stay here 5 months. Then electric department with a teacher. Then we research for green energy using the control and the intelligent house. Then we research this part. Then apply to this building. Then now this system is outside weather. Dependence on weather. Then the first is solar generation system. Then second is the communication. Third is our electric control. The fourth is LED lighting control. Final is our nowadays very important communications method. 5 communications technology is applied to this system.
The time spent were used to develop and consult JKE Polypd on its intelligent greenhouse project. Knowledge transfer during the sessions among JKE staffs and students. The intelligent greenhouse, or as we can say demo house, was built to implement the solar energy and wind energy as its alternative power source. The most interesting outcome of this project is the collaborations of all 4 JKE's program studies. Students from Communication Program was assigned to develop the house electronics communication system. Electricals program was assigned to fix all the electrical wiring and PLC controls. Computer engineering programs will assist in the making of programming and computer-related. Last but not least, the green energy programs, which was assigned for the solar and wind energy equipments. In technical and vocational education view, this intelligent greenhouse has its own benefits. Students can study and apply the theoretical knowledge from class while applying the OBE technique by handling, assemble, troubleshoots, and monitors the equipments used in this house. This process can straighten and give all participants a real overview what future holds on the application side. Intelligent greenhouse is based on alternative power source or green energy from the sun. A solar energy produced by using a photovoltaic panel is pure from any pollutions such as carbon dioxide and gas that can lead to global warming issues. The solar panel used in this project was selected based on the power that it was meant to supply. Choosing the right equipments, maintenance, and specifications is one of the most important factors in the planning stage. Full system check in terms of testing and system efficiencies has to be carried out right after all system was ready for running. Some monitoring was carried out during the trial period by taking data and adjustments were made to suit the intelligent greenhouse environments. This has to be done because the overall system is an integration of a few smaller systems itself, such as the communication system, power system, and computer-related systems. Safety applications such as the smart entry using RFID was implemented, meaning only an authorized personnel can enter the intelligent greenhouse. Skillful, qualified, and efficient human resources is very important to a successful achievement of green technology campaign. As mentioned earlier, green technology has its own potential in driving this country's development. Job opportunities and innovations based on green technology has their own demands in the near future. In the process of implementing green technologies, innovation should be taken into account. Products environmental friendly and practical should be produced. The new design should be practical that can be commercialized for local consumption and for implementing the work process.
Therefore, an educational and learning effort to students based on green technology is growing well. Although the practice green is not a habit for most of us nowadays, but our mind needs to be changed to ensure that we will still be able to enjoy life today and tomorrow. Changes in lifestyle and mindset will be moving towards green technology and practice.